Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the empowerment of women, youth, farmers and the poor will ensure the fulfillment of the goals of Viksit Bharat. Union Minister Anurag Thakur inaugurates first ever BIMSTEC Aquatic Championship in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates India Energy Week 2024 in Goa, says India is investing in energy like never before to ensure affordable energy. Election Commission issues strict directive regarding use of children in any election-related activities. Karnataka continued to lead the top in the medal tally for the fourth day today in the ongoing Khelo India Winter Games 2024 being held in Ladakh at Leh.